Alright, YouTube, well, Andrew and I are going to go out do some fishing today, and we're just in the parking lot in Southdale and Winnipeg there, and we're just going to head out, but just wanted to do a really quick video of us leaving. There's somebody there with their boat, so they're just coming up on my left hand side, so I'll show the boat there. It's a nice Lund. But anyways, this is just a very short video. We're gonna hopefully do a cookout, and we'll see you at the water. Alright, YouTube, well, we're out at the floodway here, and as you can see, the water's really choppy. We're gonna try another spot for fishing. Last year, this area here was all had trees. This is all new gravel. They really cleaned it up a lot, but everybody used to just fish from about here on, and then on the other side they fished all along the banks there. They cleaned all the trees and everything here and put in a nice run with all this limestone, and they've really cleaned it up a lot, so that's good. But we want to have a shore dinner, and I've got a new cook set that I picked up, and I want to feature demo. So we're gonna find another spot right now. It's getting a little late, but hopefully we can find a spot, and we're gonna go to near St. Agathe, which is in Manitoba, Canada, and we're gonna see if we can find a little area there. There's one right off the bridge there that I think we can do it, and get a little fire going and some some black rocks. But anyways, and get some fishing in too. But yeah, this is the locks. This is the just outside of Winnipeg. Let's go to St. Herbert over there that way. So I just want to do a quick video on that. It's pretty cold. It'll probably, if it's going to rain tonight, it'll probably snow. So, but it's that time of year. So, but anyways, I'm going to get in the truck and let's see if we can find another spot. Actually, I'll get take the GoPro, and then we'll down to there, and then he'll hold the GoPro while we go up the hill. So, Andrew, why don't you say hi to everybody on?
Hi.
You just scared the hell out of them, man.
I just broke your camera.
Alright, let's go. How's that coffee? Burning yourself. That's burning himself. Alright. Yeehaw. Ah. That's a wrap. Like that. Going down to a fishing spot now. Yeah, doesn't look like we're gonna have a fire though, so we won't be able to demo that new kit, but we'll definitely get that another weekend, maybe on a hunting trip. The other spot we were gonna go to is just packed with mud, so I don't feel like walking through all that crap, and there was no real brush to start a fire, so we're just gonna go down here and see how the fishing is. It's the water's really choppy, so but maybe we'll go down this way here. drive. We're just outside of St. Agatha. It's just to the right. But we'll start fishing here. Well, we're just out by the water. We're gonna make our way down there, but here's the road in. It's pretty muddy, and my tires here. The tires are just caked in mud, so it's gonna be a lot of plank on the way on the highway when we hit the highway there. But it's pretty dirty. This is gonna get a lot dirtier. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get on down there and get the fishing. So we'll meet you down at the water.
Hey buddies, you want to see rolling the redneck? There you go, a redneck.
Hey, Andrew. Alright, that was a total. Andrew, I got fucking snot running down my freaking nose. It is. Jumbling down my nose. Alright. Let's see here. Pretty choppy out there. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so I just wanted to do a little brief video here. We got our bobbers out there. We got the geese in the sky. If I had my shotgun here, I'd be very tempted to shoot them, but the town's just right over there, so that would be a bad thing. Anyways, this is a very short clip, and we'll come back to see it in a bit. We'll see how we're doing. Alright, YouTube, I'm just really in our rod. It's getting pretty cold out here, and anyways, we've been fishing for about 2.5 hours, I would say, and we didn't get anything. It's really windy, and it's pretty cold, and the water's really choppy. But we tried several different lures, and just no bites at all, nothing. We did the picker rigs, we did the spoons, and we've done other types of lures with the bait set and all that stuff, and just nothing. So we'll have to wait for another day, and when hopefully this season I'll have enough. We'll be able to come out again. We're into the hunting season now, so and it is getting pretty cold. We're supposed to be getting snow this week, so we'll see. But there's always ice fishing. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give us your likes, and hopefully you like this little video compilation that I put it together with the fishing and stuff like that. Even though we didn't get any fish, but definitely the comments and your likes, and thanks for watching. Ciao. Alright, we're out here. Well, y'all have a good night now. You hear? Destination unknown.